Farmpays is the best Nigerian online marketplace for farmers and consumers. Farmers across Nigeria can easily find the products they need to grow their business or just for use at home. Consumers can find the best deals and see what's in season. Farmpays make it easy for farmers and consumers to find each other, saving time and money. It was established in July 2017 with the aim of providing easy access to agricultural products. It was first started on a WhatsApp group called Farmer Input and Output. Now is registered under the Corporate Affairs Commission, CAC, of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as a business name called Farmpays Integrated Agric Ventures with business number, BN 3125327. In short, we aim to connect the farmer or vendor to their target customers by selling their agro products with good profit and to let farmer get original farm input for their agricultural business. Our range of services is designed to ensure optimum levels of convenience and customer satisfaction. With the farmer process, these services include our lowest price, fresh farm product, home delivery, dedicated customer service support, and many other premium services. Who we are making a tangible impact on agriculture by stopping hunger and creating space for farmers, sellers, and consumers. As we aim to continue to let our farmers have a good profit on their farm produce and let our customers get fresh farm products from us. We are highly committed to finding innovative ways to improve our farmer selling of their farm product and our customers' good shopping experience with us. So give us some feedback at hello@farmpays.com for any press-related questions. Kindly send us an email. Our mission: we cultivate a new generation of farmers and food leaders, and to be an effective and helpful brand that caters to agriculture production in Africa and is a global network transforming agriculture. Our vision: to let farmers have good profit from their farm produce and to let consumers have good farm products at a low price.